Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. I'm just taking a look at Atom Cosmos here at the moment on the 4-hour chart. So we can see we have this trend, this bullish trend on the 4-hour. The only thing is now we have this lower high. So I'm a little bit concerned about the potential for this to possibly roll over, but we don't know yet. It's a little bit early. Let's just have a look at this on the higher time frame. We'll just go out to, say, a weekly. Pick up some key levels here. So what we've got on the weekly is a major level right there. So we'll just mark these levels up and see what they look like on the lower time frame, level week. Just around where the price is currently trading. Yeah, I'd be interested in probably this one over here. This candle body right there. That would be my next port of call on the weekly. So we'll just mark that up and then go down to the daily, have a quick look, and then we'll go down to the lower time frame and I'll give you my take on it. So on the daily time frame, we've got, it's been pushing up. So what we've got up here is a combination of a weekly and a daily. So that'd be a big level, and this is where we wicked through and rejected, now trading a little bit south. So I quite like this pullback. So we'll just mark that as a daily, and these will show up on the lower time frame. So level daily, I'm good with that. And I mean, look, as far as support goes, well, we're currently trading right on a daily support level. So we'll just name that one as well, level D, daily. And from here, go down to, say, the 4-hour. And as we get down to the lower time frames, I want to show you something that I think is pretty interesting. So my two levels at the moment, my two key levels that I'm interested in is this range down here. This is this candle prior to this move. And then we've got this distribution zone up above. Okay, we've traded into it, rejected, coming back down. And now it's trading around. It's running into this daily level here, okay, support level. So, whether it holds here and we see more upward momentum remains to be seen. But I would say I'm interested in a buy opportunity somewhere through here. And does that mean, we go in with a market buy a smaller position here and then set up, a bigger position a bit further south? Maybe. With that in mind, let's just go down to, in fact, I want to show you this. We'll go to a 15, let's go to a 30 minute. And I'm going to just get a little bit closer to the action. Just want to see what we've got. See this higher high, higher low, then we've broken this low. Like with this kind of price action here, is this just a stab at liquidity under these levels here prior to a move north? And now we're trading down into, well, it's this daily level here and a weekly level under. So I think I'm predominantly bullish with this more than anything, but with a little bit of caution. In any case, I want to show you this. We'll go down to maybe a 15-minute chart. I'm just going to introduce my trusty indicators here, and I'm going to go here and we're going to enable this guy. We've been getting some really nice results with signals that fire in our alerts over here. At the moment I've got a bunch of Forex alerts going off. These are all trade opportunities, by the way. But you can see, since this bar has running, and I'm interested in the earlier stages of this bar. But if we were to look back, and you want to be careful. See, we've got some red dots here with divergence. So that's why it's telling me now that this, well, actually the bar has stopped here. Okay, so we could see more downward movement into these levels here. There's a yellow line, the daily, and my yellow line, and then we've got this. I've marked up the weekly here, but the indicators are picking up this level. What I'm picking up is the candle body here. Let's go back and just have a look at these, see how they stack up. So we've had a bullish opportunity back in here, very nice. And all along here we would have had signals firing, giving us a bullish opportunity. By the way, guys, if you'd like to gain access, I mean, these are pretty remarkable. The link is below. This one here, yeah, had a bit of a run, but that was short-lived. Wherever you jumped on board with that. All been bullish opportunities along here, as you can see, and I think at the moment, look, from what I can see on this time frame, I'm thinking we still get a bit more of a pullback. And look at this. So look, here's the thing. I mentioned this in a video yesterday. I want to show you this. When you see this fire, this bearish signal, it's not a sell signal. It's telling us that the 4-hour and the daily are both predominantly bearish, so it's quite a strong momentum to the downside. So that gives us an opportunity then to come into the chart, and what I like to see is these these red lines. This is a bearish divergence here with our dot, and then we've got another dot over here as well. We get a couple of dots and some divergence prior to this. That's a sell, and I mean, look, the rest is history. So I would say to you guys, jump on board, click the link below, contact me, gain access. The green has stopped here, and I'm seeing a bit of momentum south. So I think with this one, what I would envisage would be something like possibly. It's just going to depend. If I see this, this is telling me the 4-hour and daily are in a confluence in terms of the momentum or strength to the upside. So I want to see this green bar extend through, and if it does, then I would be looking possibly for, you know, something like that, possibly. And I generally go in with a couple, so there'd be, you know, an entry here and maybe an entry down a bit lower. So with that, I think that wraps it up. That's my take on Atom Cosmos at the moment. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.